Hi.
So, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Welcome.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
Oh, you're from Bangladesh?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Where are you
And
from?
I'm from USA,
USA.
United
Wow,
States of America.
wow. Nice, nice. So, which place do you live in USA? Which province? Hey.
I'm in Miami,
Miami. Wow, nice city, Miami.
Florida.
So, you really looking so beautiful. Your smiling face is looking so sweet.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. So, what's your name?
My name is Bree,
B.
and you're.
So can I see you? Can I see you like me? Can I see you like me? If you don't mind. Oh, looking really so beautiful and so sweet. Really. Do you like traveling?
Yes.
So and
You?
I'm also like traveling. And I just wanna go where is big mountain?
The biggest mountain
Yeah,
is Mount
Mount
Everest?
yeah, Mount Everest.
Okay, wow. I didn't know that. I know this.
Because I wanna go
I
there.
should know that, right?
Because I wanna go there. I love biggest mountain.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's beautiful.
yeah. I wanna spend my whole life with this biggest mountain.
How many languages do you speak?
I just speak two languages, little bit English and my mother tongue is Bengali.
Okay, your English is perfect.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Actually, I'm here for practice English with strangers like you because I think my English is too bad.
Can you teach me how are you doing in
Bengali.
Bangalore?
Yeah,
Bangalore.
yeah. Not Bengali. It's Bengali. Camon aso.
Tiamon Aso.
Camon aso.
Tiamon Aso.
Yes, perfect, perfect.
Tiamon Aso.
Yes, Camon aso.
Aloasi.
Bhalo aছি. Oh, nice. Perfect. So, how many languages do you speak? I can also speak a little bit Spanish. So do you wanna hear?
Okay.
Te amo, B.
Oh,
Yeah,
you say you love me?
yeah.
Now, how do I say that in Bangladesh?
What?